Hello everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 21st, 2022, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku. I will solve this in a few seconds. The 4 star Sudoku, and we have a tectonic, the binary, and a killer Sudoku. This will be 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Yes. Quadra fours. But first, the 4 stars Sudoku and number. This will be number 4441. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26. Sorry, correction, 24 printed digits. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 1 1. We have here 4 twos. We have here 1, 2 threes, 2 fours, 1, 2, 3, 3 fives, 1, 2, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 sevens, 3, 4 eights, and 2 nines. Yeah. So the 2 and the 8s are in majority. Let me see if I can start with a 2. No, I cannot start with a 2. Well, incorrect. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Yeah. Okay. Then, how about the 8? 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see here an 8 in the first row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. How about these? 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the 6. We see here 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. It should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So that the last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. How about 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. Don't need to place left for 8, should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row be 3 in the second row. Don't need to place left for the 8, should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there, ain't no 8 there. Here, ain't no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Okay. Alright. How about? I'm thinking. 6, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number. So 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then how about a 9 in this row? 9 in that row, so the row be 3 in the middle row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in the first column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1. It goes there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 9. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row for the third row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 1, 3, 6. Okay, and we have a pair. 2 and a 6 in this third column. 2 and a 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So what are the other 2 numbers in the second column for the numbers? So 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, no need 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in that in this column, 6 in that column. So the column in between, only place left for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about these two numbers in this big square? Four numbers are 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then. Yeah. I'm thinking. 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah. 6, 7, 7, 8, 6, 6. Yeah. Still thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 5, 4 is missing here. Yeah. Still thinking. 3, 3. 3. I need pairs. 2, 3, 3. 9. Come on. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes here. 9 in this row. No 9 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 5. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 9. Okay. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 1. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3. Should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. Wait. 1. 7, 9, 8. I'm thinking. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4 I see here. Mark 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Then 1, 2, and the 5. Well. 2 and 1, 2 and 1. 1. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers are 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4 in this column. 4 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 4 numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5. It goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next down, the place left for the 5 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for number. So 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 6. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number. So 1. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 is missing. Finish in 50 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and before I leave, told you I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 8 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will stop and share those data with you. We have here the 9, the 6, the 7, 9, 6, and the 7, 7, 3, and a 2, 7, 3, and a 2, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. We have 2 pairs, the 9 and the 7 as a pair. All right. Great Sudoku, and I like this one, yes. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Binary puzzle, Killer Sudoku, and a tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.